Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this vehicle tester from the manufacturer to do a review. The manufacturer is from Ansel, and it's an anti-lock brake system, an airbag, diagnostic, and reset tool. And it can test and reset many other features and sensors on your vehicle. So let's unpack it, look at its features, and put it to use. Okay, let's unpack it. Okay, it comes with a nice soft zip up case. Comes with a user's guide, a cable to hook it up to your vehicle on one end and the tester on the other end. And a USB cable that you can connect the diagnostic tool to your computer or to another AC source. Okay, here's the diagnostic tool. Has an LCD display, touch panel, hard shell plastic case for protection all the way around. Your connection to the diagnostic port of your vehicle, USB Type-C port that you can connect to your computer to power it up or download graphs, or you can connect this to a power source. So it does not have an on and off button. You have to be connected to your vehicle, turn on your switch to power up the tool. So let's get it connected and hook it up. Got this connected to the port underneath. Next, you want to plug in the other end of the cable to your diagnostic tester. Tighten the screws to keep it secured, and you can see it immediately powered up. So you can see on the display some of the various testing and so forth, arrows, enter button, help, the back button, and then 3 functions. Let's scroll down and look at you have the auto VIN number, anti-lock brake system, and airbag tester. There is a glare on the screen, and I'll try my best to get it to where you can see the display. We'll take a look at the keypad. There are 3 functions, function 1, 2, and 3. There's the back button, help button, arrows up and down, left and right, enter button. This is kind of what the screen looks like. You have auto VIN number. You have the onboard diagnostic 2nd generation, steering angle sensors, parking brake, steering angle sensors, updates. Just want to arrow over, hit enter. We want to connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, it's trying to connect to the internet. Okay, now that we got the internet connected, let's go to settings. Let's do the display test. You can see a variety of colors. That lets you know that it's okay. We'll go back. Unit of measure, you have a choice between metric and imperial. We'll just keep it right there on metric. Language, English. Keypad test. It says press any key to start the test. Press the back button key twice to quit. So let's press F1. You can see it lit up blue. F2, blue. Function 3, OK. Down button, OK. Left button, OK. Enter button, OK. Okay, let's go to the auto VIN, vehicle identification number. Let's hit enter. Let's start my truck. Let's go with manual entry instead of auto. My truck is a 2012 Toyota Tacoma. So I'll scroll down and select Toyota. Okay, it said software has not been downloaded, so let's go to update. So let's hit OK, function 3. Let's do a quick scan. Okay, this is the anti-brake system tracking. It says this ECU controls anti-lock brake system, vehicle stability control and brake system that controls the safety performance of the car. Okay, we could look at live read codes. It says system pass, no codes found. So we'll hit OK. It says the ECU controls the detonator for airbag inflation when crash sensors detected. So let's hit F3 for OK. Loading data. So let's read codes. It says system pass, no codes found. So I'll hit F3. Let's look at live data. Okay, let's go under the onboard diagnostic. Let's do auto scan. Codes found, none. Monitors okay, 9. Let's go under live data. Engine RPM, you can see it's running into 700s. Let me press the accelerator a little and you can see it change. So you can see the number change there. You can see the ignition timing. You can watch it change. You would go in and select your vehicle make, manufacturer. There's Toyota. Hit enter. Okay, it doesn't need to be reset, so I hit OK. It says manual oil resetting. I'm not going to mess with that right now, but if you change your oil, you need to reset it, then this is where you can go and do that. Overall, I'm very impressed with this Ansel diagnostic tester. Very easy to hook up initially, but once you have this updated, then it should be easier to use the next time. So I highly recommend this Ansel diagnostic tester.